The phrase busy as a bee is an idiom used to describe someone who is consistently and tirelessly engaged in various activities or tasks. It draws upon the notion of bees, known for their diligent work ethic and constant buzzing activity within a beehive. When someone is described as busy as a bee, it implies that they are fully occupied, productive, and constantly on the move. The comparison to bees is rooted in their well-known characteristics. Bees are highly organized and cooperative insects that work together to build and maintain their hive. They tirelessly collect nectar, pollinate flowers, produce honey, and perform various other tasks essential for the survival and growth of the colony. Bees are known for their ceaseless activity, constantly flying from flower to flower, and exhibiting a sense of purposeful busyness. When applied to human behavior, being busy as a bee suggests a person who is consistently engaged in work or other productive activities. It implies a strong work ethic, a drive to accomplish tasks, and a commitment to being industrious. This idiom often conveys a positive connotation, highlighting the individual's dedication and productivity. Being busy as a bee can encompass a wide range of activities and responsibilities. It can refer to someone who is occupied with work-related tasks, such as meeting deadlines, attending meetings, or completing projects. It can also extend to personal commitments, such as taking care of household chores, managing family responsibilities, or pursuing hobbies and interests. The phrase implies a constant state of busyness and an active engagement in multiple aspects of life. The comparison to bees also underscores the importance of being organized and efficient. Bees work in a structured and systematic manner, focusing on tasks that contribute to the overall well-being of the colony. Similarly, being busy as a bee implies a sense of prioritization, time management, and the ability to handle multiple responsibilities effectively. However, it is important to note that being busy as a bee does not necessarily mean being productive or achieving meaningful outcomes. While the phrase conveys a sense of activity and engagement, it does not guarantee efficiency or effectiveness. It is essential to strike a balance between busyness and productivity, ensuring that the tasks undertaken lead to tangible results and personal fulfillment. In conclusion, the phrase busy as a bee describes a person who is consistently engaged in various activities or tasks. It draws upon the industrious nature of bees and implies a strong work ethic, constant activity, and a sense of purposeful busyness. While being busy can be commendable, it is important to focus on productivity and ensure that the efforts invested lead to meaningful outcomes.